Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Bitdefender Mobile Security on your phone, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that you have downloaded the Bitdefender Mobile Security app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once the app is installed, open it by tapping the icon on your home screen. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Tap on the Get Started button to proceed. Next, you will be prompted to sign in to your Bitdefender account. If you don't have an account, select the option to create one. Follow the prompts to enter your email address and choose a secure password. After signing in, you may need to grant the necessary permissions for the app to function correctly. Make sure to allow access to your device's notifications and location services. After permissions are set, you will see the main dashboard of the app. Take a moment to explore the features available. To activate your subscription, tap on the Activate button. Enter your activation code if prompted. This code is usually found in your purchase confirmation email. Once you've entered the activation code, tap on Activate to confirm. The app will begin to finalize your activation. You may see a progress bar indicating the activation status. Once activated, you will receive a confirmation message. Now, the app will conduct a quick scan of your device. This scan helps to ensure that your phone is secure right from the start. Following the scan, review any recommendations provided by the app. You can adjust your security settings based on your preferences. For additional features, explore options such as VPN and anti-theft settings. Once you're satisfied with your settings, your Bitdefender Mobile Security is now fully activated. Regularly check the app for updates and notifications to. Congratulations, your phone is now secured with Bitdefender Mobile Security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.